Alright, so today we're starting out at 10th Street, right where Zenzi was at. I'm going to show you guys the beach conditions today. Right here is El Faro. Pretty nice place. Kind of on the pricey side, but really nice place. Very secure. You can see there's absolutely no seaweed here. Water's nice and cool, it's not cold. About 8:45, so not too many people out yet. But the beach is getting packed by 10, 11 o'clock. Carmen Hotel here. And here's Thompson Beach House. As I mentioned in the other video, the Carmen Hotel is reopened. And we've got a pretty nice rooftop pool area. I believe it's 700 pesos to get up there, but that 700 pesos goes to your food bill. This is Fusion here. And empty. I think they start their breakfast at 9 o'clock. So we're right at 6th Street here. It's a little windy today. I believe it's 82 degrees this morning. Pretty high humidity. The humidity has been climbing slowly. Last night was a little humid, but it was still nice and cool. Another nice hotel here. I believe they're condos though. block away, maybe a half a block away from Fusion. A little bit too ritzy for me. So I've only been into probably 3 or 4 times. I prefer Fusion, it's a little bit more casual. We're coming up on the newest little beach club here. I haven't been here yet, but a buddy of mine says it gets pretty busy at night. So they got a nice little bar on the inside. Here's some seaweed here. Looks like they might have picked it up or scraped it up this morning. So starting to see a little bit of seaweed. So it might have been here a few days ago. They're just starting to rake it up now. This is Hotel Mi Del Mar. I stayed here a few times. I think it was like 48 bucks a night. Pretty nice place for being directly on the beach. And then you just walk around the corner and you're on Fifth Avenue. Up on 2nd Street here. Again, it's like a 8:45, so everything's just starting to open up. Here's La Terraya. That's on 2nd Street and the beach. Oldest operating restaurant in Playa. Looks like a whole bunch of people going to Cozumel this morning. And you probably can't see it from here, but looks like one big cruise ship out there. I think last weekend they had like 3 or 4 decked out or docked out there. And there might be 2. So in the afternoons we're starting to see a little bit of a foot traffic. From the ferries coming from Cozumel. I believe those are mainly from the cruise ships. As you can see, the beach is really nice here. Got the beach cleanup crew. It's a lot of hard work these guys do. spend most of their mornings picking up trash or scraping up seaweed. Both volleyball courts are taken up. These guys are here just about every morning. The concession stands for snacks just starting to open up. I think I'll end it here. Just going for a little quick walk on the beach. I could kind of show you guys how the beach is this week. Like I said, I might do beach conditions once a month. Luckily for me, it hasn't been raining much. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. See you next time.